I go. If you're dead, you're dead. Yeah, I think they're taking more than one though. Not yet.
You got a second element flanking around the bay?
Yeah, right here.
Okay. Well, we're just gonna have to keep fucking running after him until he gets smart enough to fucking dig. Okay, just closer. Freeze it to closer. Off the door. Or not yet. Need a heavy feet?
Defog.
You fogged up?
Yeah, taking care of it. The boogers. I'm up.
Is that ours?
Yeah, coming up on your left.
Okay. Go.
They're smart. They'll sit still till we're on top of them.
This is out of bounds. Wayne, if you're still up,
Right in here.
you guys know we're coming around the bay. You blue on blue.
Got a guy defogging hold.
What?
He's defogging.
Okay.
Wait, right there. Other side of that down log.
Where?
He's up. Where the hell now? Where'd he move to?
Instead of line, far right, far left.
Dead ahead. Mag out. Back in.
Already hit!
He's aiming for me.
Where is it?
Shit.
Yep. It's firing, it's just not cycling rounds. I'll have a look at it at station. You still there? Who?
There's still two guys here. I can see those hitting them.
Yeah. I don't know what the scoop is, but I know I hit him like 8 times. And I don't think they're supposed to go out. We're supposed to push.
Fuck, defog. Stay thin.
Yeah. Careful, dude. I got a spare set if you want to borrow.
Yeah, I might.
Pretty sure I brought 3 tags for that.
Yeah, I definitely will. These are dying on me fast.
Yep. Ed Flair walking. Sebastian's dead. I repeat, Sebastian's dead. Roger that. We got blue at our 6 coming in. Don't shoot him. That's okay. I don't think they're all dead.
Oh, hit! Oh, right in the dick! Oh!
Oh man, that's so bad. I turned off my camera a minute ago.
Trevor, enemy. Behind him.
Wait, shit. Engage. One just crouched down right there. Do you think you two can go around this way? They're already on this side. Shit. All right, let's pull back. Pull back this way. We'll watch the rear, just keep going that way.
I think the rear conditioning's on fire.
Okay. Presidential meat shield.
Yeah. My bad, it's
Whoa, one there.
There you go.
Is he dead?
No, there's a medic there. There's two of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, should we move up slowly, Trev?
All right, I'll cover fire.
Okay, I got two over there.
Okay, I'm going across to this tree. Moving.
Anything, Trev?
Possible one down here by a tree.
Moving.
Two directly in my 12 hit. Is he hit? You're hit right in front of me? Yeah. Okay.
I see two walking away.
Medic!
Okay, Trev. There was two moving down the hill.
Yeah. Yeah, keep calling for the medic.
Hit! Medic!
Medic!
One, two, three, four, five. Good. No, so far so good.
Medic.
Again?
They're not our guys. They're the enemy.
Medic.
There's a couple guys right down there. I just can't see them.
I gotta take it apart so it's jamming inside.
Contact right!
Face this way so these guys know we're.
I want me a red flag.
Medic. Yeah, they are handy.
Oh, I can see him. I don't want to give away position to the nose.
Okay?
Strategic ball. Medic.
You okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Alright. Okay, Trev. 2 down that way.
Okay, you run back. I'll provide cover. 2, 3, move. Oh, he's dead.
Yeah, come on up. I got the story.
Alright. Hit! Who just shot me?
Someone over that way. Thank God they missed us.
Someone from the back.
Medic.
Medic! Drag away, drag away.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, where is he?
Now, the last I saw, 2 moving left to right, unknown how far they've gotten.
Okay, and there's also one over the left. Let's move back towards the left.
Okay.
Disengage and try and find something.
Your medic? In need?
No, I'm not dead.
Oh, who is?
I'm sitting here just taking in the situation.
Okay. So there's 2 over here. There's at least 2 still over here.
And Sebastian's up here, so don't cap Sebastian. He's up past the dude here in the
Alright.
poncho.
Well, we should move to the left. Keeping an eye on these guys, of course.
You want me to stay put here, Trev?
We're gonna try and make him.
You wanna split
Yeah,
up?
actually.
Send a couple look for thunder.
If you 2 sit here, we'll come this way, try and draw their fire, and maybe they'll follow us. Coming across your front. Thunder. No.
Thunder dead.
I'm coming back here with the ATV again.
Oh, you're not who I thought you were. Stay down. Are you dead? Oh, it's Sebastian.
200 feet up, right 12. That's burst. The burst straight ahead.
Yeah, I just saw a guy
Right
running.
behind that.
So there's none confirmed down here?
No, 3 move, but I can't. I'm gonna sweep.
Okay, I'll go straight. Wasn't quite bunkered enough, were you?
12 o'clock.
Stay down. Go medic him. Ah.
They're on me like a section of a Smarty now.
Yep.
Fall back! Fall back to the road!
Go.
Roger that. On yours. Everybody, fall back!
Come around behind me. I'll provide
Go,
cover.
go, fall back. We got X. We are out. Oscar Mike! Go, 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 road!
I got no armor. So go. Someone's going to take it in the back. Michael be a useless guy.
Hey, you want to medic us back in even though we're on the other team? Don't do that.
I can shoot you right after. What's up?
By the ball?
Good.
What the fuck was that about? Yeah! I yelled thunder!
Is he still alive?
Yeah.
Good.
Mission accomplished. I'm sorry, guys. Shoot me.
I'm like, where are you guys? I'm by the ball. Hey, run! And I saw someone, I'm like, thunder! Thunder!
More thunder. Oh, I heard my shoot. Now at all. I didn't get a shoot.
Yeah, shoot me!
Oh.
Yeah, we're still in the game. I'm dead, but oh yeah. I could be medic and it'd be bad. Well, I got blue on blue, so that's a bit of a dick.
5.
Sorry, I just saw the end game. He was right down the road. I'm sorry, you guys didn't look friendly. Kill him.
Amazing how guys with guns don't look friendly.
No, kill him.
Yeah, we have the package secured and staging.